Filter 3 liters of water, or by spring water. The cleaner, the purer, the better. It is to hydrate your colonics through your... Get some fine-grained ecological coffee. Put 6 tablespoons of coffee into the water, stir it, and then boil it for 20 minutes. This is to disinfect and boil out all stuff that is in the coffee and in the water that you don't want into your colonics, and to neutralize all toxins and everything that normal coffee has. Get a bowl that can contain about 2 to 2.5 liters and a sieve that you can filter the coffee through to get all the little grains out. And it can be as well a filter that you use for making cashew milk. But one of these fine grain coffee filters that will do just fine. I do that since years. Get one of these Enema bags. I will put an Amazon link into the WhatsApp group. Take the coffee from the stove, put it into a sink and fill cool water in the sink to cool down the coffee to about 40 degrees. Filter the coffee through the sieve into the bowl that you have prepared, and then take the Enema bag and fill all the coffee into the Enema bag. Sorry, that's a bad video. Cameraman has to level up a little bit. Take the Enema bag, hang it somewhere in the bathroom. Put a towel or a yoga mat on the ground. Put some coconut or almond oil on that part that goes into your butt. And then you slide it carefully in. Yes, right there. And let half a liter, 1/4 of the Enema bag slowly run into your butt. So make sure that this is not more than your body temperature. And you leave that inside of your colonics for about 5 to 7 minutes. Lay relaxed on your back. Nothing to do than just to enjoy. You repeat that process 4 times with the benefit that your colonics are really clean. Your colonics through the water are hydrated, and it takes toxins out of your intestines and cleans your liver. After you have done that process, take some coconut oil on your fingers and start massaging your rectum and your anus from the inside. Happy edging. Enjoy the process.